Hello friends, I wish to read a chapter from my book Virginia Woolf's Concept of Perfect Man. It is based on my PhD thesis. The title of the chapter it is on Iqbal's concept of perfect man. It starts with the couplet of Iqbal. फितरत का सरोदे अज़ली उसके शब रोज़ आहंग में यकता सिफत सूरह रहमान. Then I have given the English translation of this couplet. His nights and his days resound nature's eternal lyre, unique in cadence like Surah Rahman. हमा आफाक के गिरम बनिगाहे ऊरा हल्के हस्त के अज गर्दिश पुरकार मनस्त. The universe that I comprehend at a glance, it is a circle by the compass of my being. These verses from Iqbal contain the very essence of his poetry, hence his perfect man or Insani Kamil, who is to be explored still, and whose depths are fathomless. Iqbal's was search for the Logos, the spirit of divine revelation, inspired by the light of Muhammad, Nur-e Muhammadi, or primary intelligence. The doctrine common between all great religions. Thus, the Logos idea, as presented by the Oriental Sufis and Romantics, and long before them by Plotinus, and in the present age by Goethe, Iqbal, Sri Aurobindo Ghosh, and Virginia Woolf, etc., is very deep-rooted, its roots being specifically in the Upanishads. Iqbal's perfect man, who is closest to the perfect man of Al-Jili, after attaining perfection through self-realization and universal love, becomes the spirit of divine revelation, inspired by the light which refers to the reconciliation of opposites, finite, infinite, thing, worth, particular, universal, human, divine. Iqbal, like Al-Jili, proceeds to examine the nature of primal darkness, ama, or unconsciousness, in his poetry. Unconsciousness, which is the reality of realities, the tunneling out of the caves of the past. Search for the Logos, major pursuit of Sufism and Romanticism, was throughout with Iqbal. Like Al-Jili, Iqbal treats the perfect man as the spirit whence all things have their origin, who soars upwards but comes back to the earth for the benefit of humanity. After meditating on the name, studying nature, on which the name is sealed, he enters the stage of the essence and becomes the God-man. His eye becomes the eye of God, his life the life of God, his word the word of God. He participates in the general life of nature and sees into the life of things. हाथ है अल्लाह का, बंद है मोमिन का हाथ, गालिब व कार आफरी, कार कुशा कार साथ.